Today in art, our special word is value. Value is the lightness and darkness of an object. Before we start art, though, we need our mantra.
You ready? I'm ready. I am an artist.
I am an artist.
I am creative.
I am creative.
I make mistakes.
I make mistakes.
But mistakes are great.
But mistakes are great.
Because they help us learn.
Because they help us learn.
When you're ready, look in your crayon box and select crayons. Many different shades of the same color. So find a dark purple, medium purple, red violet or red purple. You want to try to find different shades of the same crayon. Now, if you don't have different shades, you can use one crayon today, and you can color really hard, then you can color medium hard, then you can color a little bit softer and a little bit softer, and then as light as you can. That's another way to create value. Today we'll be inspired by a landscape. A landscape is a picture of land. We're going to draw a landscape using different kinds of lines. Using a black crayon, draw the first hill that's at the bottom of your paper. It can be rolly, be inspired by the picture that we are looking at. Then the second hill might be even a little bit rougher, and it is in the middle of your paper. Next, draw a line that is more like a zigzag line. Those can be the start of your mountains, and we're at the top of the paper. We're going up higher. Next, the mountain line that's closest to the sky. Look at how I draw a zigzag line and I make it kind of rough and bumpy. I'm drawing the mountains. Now I decided to draw it into another line and then start again. I'm also going to draw one more line down at the bottom to make it even more interesting to look at. Now it's time to add value with crayons. Using one crayon or a few crayons that are different shades of the one crayon, that means different lights and darks of purple, you can then start coloring in. I'm starting at the bottom and I am coloring hard. I am pushing hard with my crayon and I'm going to fill it in very dark, a dark shade at the bottom of my paper. Every time you move to a new hill and go farther up your paper, it's going to get lighter and lighter and lighter. Now I'm using different shades of purple, so I chose a different purple to color in with. But remember, you can also color in lighter the next time. So first time was really hard, second time was a little bit softer, then the next time is a little bit softer. And then you keep going up and up and up, lighter and lighter and lighter as you go. When you finish coloring in with value, you can then add in some trees or add in some special details. I'm still following some of the rules though when it comes to a landscape. Things that are closest to us are big, like a big tree in the front or foreground, a medium tree in the middle, and then a smaller tree farther away. So I'm still following some of those rules to make it look like you could walk into my picture and walk all the way back to the mountains. Go ahead and finish your picture, or you can leave it just with the hills of different value and different shades.